Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about why Equifax shows a hard inquiry you do not recognize. Seeing an unfamiliar hard inquiry on your credit report can be alarming, but it happens for several common reasons. A hard inquiry occurs when a financial institution checks your credit history to make a lending decision, usually because you applied for credit. However, unauthorized or unrecognizable inquiries can point to errors or even fraudulent activity. First, check if the inquiry is tied to a company you already know under a different name. Businesses often use parent companies, third-party processors, or processing agents whose names look unfamiliar on a credit report. For example, a retail credit card issued by a major bank might show up under the bank's corporate name rather than the store brand. Second, consider whether you applied for joint credit or authorized user status. If a spouse, family member, or someone with access to your information applied for a loan or credit card and added you as a co-signer or authorized user, it can trigger a hard inquiry on your report. Another possibility is promotional or pre-approved offers. Sometimes, inquiries labeled as promotional or account reviews show up, though these are typically soft inquiries that do not impact your credit score. However, if a lender pulled your report for a firm offer of credit without your permission and it was incorrectly coded as a hard inquiry, it needs attention. If you have ruled out name variations and authorized users, the inquiry may be the result of a clerical error by the credit bureau or lender. Typos in social security numbers or similar personal identifiers can cause a hard inquiry meant for someone else to land on your report. Most importantly, an unrecognizable hard inquiry can be a sign of identity theft. If an identity thief attempts to open a credit card, loan, or utility account in your name, the lender will pull your credit, resulting in a hard inquiry. If you suspect fraud or an error, take action immediately. Contact Equifax to dispute the unauthorized inquiry. You should also reach out directly to the company that initiated the inquiry to ask for documentation proving you applied for credit. To protect yourself further, consider placing a temporary fraud alert or credit freeze on your Equifax report and your files with Experian and TransUnion. Monitoring your credit regularly helps you catch and resolve these discrepancies before they cause long-term damage to your financial health. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.